here with the family at the Vader Washington Car Show and band. $20 each for us to get in here, so I hope it's good. I'm sure it'll be good. Yeah?
Just want to look at Brindley.
You want to go with Mama?
Creek really quick?
Yeah. Orange Crush. Look at this beast. All original. Nice.
I wanted one of them. And I love that truck.
Now it's like
But he said he didn't want to put it here because he knew he would want the shade. Which I think I appreciate the thought of that. Think about throwing the shade around, but yeah. Guys, did you on the actual amphitheater when they get it built? It needs to be some maybe it needs to be where the yellow card. Well, like right now it's 5:30 and I know I have to have yeah, you'd let people in. Yeah, exactly. So if they brought it back a little bit. The other side of the road, right? No, yeah, the side of the road, yeah.
1950 Mercury Custom. That was pretty nice. Nice and clean. Now for the best part. Brindley, what are you eating? Cheese quesadilla? Alright, well, we found out I was $20 a person. Going to a good cause. Looks like they're having a battle of the bands. And they're trying to build an amphitheater here. That'll be cool.